to 2-Minute Tuesday, where we show you a bite-sized strategy you can start implementing in your classroom tomorrow. We all know the holiday season can be a little bit stressful for us, not to mention our neurodiverse students. Listen in as Ashley Barlow, the Director of Education for the National Down Syndrome Congress, offers a suggestion to add structure to the unstructured time.
One tip to surviving the holidays with your neurodiverse students is to add structure to the unstructured time with crafting and giving. Sometimes we try to reward students by giving them free or less structured time as a reward. However, that can be very overwhelming to students with neurodiversity. Try adding structure to some of the free time at the end of the year by creating crafts and giving them away as gifts. Crafting can create an opportunity to work on fine motor, language, task completion, and many other skills. Making something also allows students and teachers to slow down, access positive one-on-one attention, collaborate, be creative, and maybe even access some sensory stimulation. Sometimes children with disabilities have a hard time accessing the spirit of the holidays because the time can be so overwhelming. Making crafts and giving them away as gifts is a way to allow students to be more involved in gift giving, which makes it a win-win.
And to help you be ready, Digitability has prepared 2 crafting activities for your students with 3 levels of differentiation, so each of your students can participate in a way that is most meaningful to them. Head to digitability.com to download our free differentiated winter crafts activity pack that you can start using with your students in your classroom tomorrow. And as always, thank you for joining us for 2-Minute Tuesday.